what might be useful for you is to build a performance character and like adopt a persona. And I would actually start thinking about that now. You have a month before the performance. You want to think about what your character's name is, what your character's energy is, what words you would describe your character as, because then you can step into the performance and step into, okay, I'm Glitter Girl now. I like to be fun and vivacious and energetic and make people smile and have a good time. Like, that is the energy I bring with Glitter Girl. And so I adopt that and I take on the persona and I step into her. So if you design a character for yourself, you can step into that character as part of the performance. And then when you're in the elements of the piece where you're not just, like, a lot of it is just like, okay, you're executing it because you have to remember what's next. But this, you get to hold it. And in that moment, that's where your performer gets to emerge for the audience. So I invite you to start thinking about who that is. Even if you only come up with 3 words to describe that character, they can sort of be your mantra for how you act and behave when you're being that character. It could just be, I mean, right now it could just be, I want to get through it because you're so new to performing. So follow through might be one of the things, but it could be fun. It could be sassiness. Like, it could be really simple stuff. You don't have to have like some really complex character mantra, you know? You just have to decide that you're going to own the stage for 3 minutes and be like, okay, I'm the center of attention for this 3 minutes and it's okay. You have to give yourself permission to be that person. So yes, you should feel like it's showy. It is showy. You are being showy. It is a character. But you can also alleviate that sense of ego that might make you feel like, well, I shouldn't be the center of attention. You're not the center of attention. Your character is the center of attention. So if you step into the character, it's not personal, which means whether it goes well or badly, it doesn't matter. You can step right back out of that and everything can live on the character. All the attention, positive or negative, can live on that character, and you don't have to be, you can dissociate yourself from that on the rest of your time so that you feel a sense of ease. I really would make sure that somebody gets a recording of it, because you'll want, like, you never know. If you're doing this for 5 years, it'll be super fun for you to look back at your first performance. And you can't, like, I doubt, as somebody who's been spinning for months, you're imagining 5 years from now, but I assure you, if we're still in conversation in 5 years, you will be very grateful you had a video of that first performance. I encourage you strongly to, like, really make yourself step into your character as your performer, wear the costume, do the makeup, and get the video.